Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you all are doing fine, doing your regular exercises and keeping yourself fit and fine. Today I am here again with another breathing technique, but this breathing technique is given to us by my spiritual master, my spiritual guru, Mohanji. This breathing technique is called vertical breathing. So he always mentions whatever breathing we do in our day-to-day life is horizontal breathing, and which always allows us to encounter with n number of thoughts, and we are always busy with that directly or indirectly. So this vertical breathing allows yourself to be calm and in peace, not just physically but emotional and at mental state as well. So let's see how it's going to perform. It's really easy. There are three things where you are going to keep focus. The first is a root of the spine, then the whole spine, and then top of the head. As usual, before starting this technique, you are going to sit straight, spine erect, hands in chin mudra or palms wide open on your knees or on your thighs, and your eyes will be closed. The whole body will be relaxed, your shoulder, your forehead, your fingers, both arms and legs. So once you are settled in this beautiful calm and relaxed position, you are going to focus on the root of the spine, and then you are going to start inhalation through Ujjayi breath. Ujjayi breath, as you know, I have already posted a video about it. So your focus will be on your throat and you are going to inhale. So this voice will come, it's like this. So this is going to be your inhalation. So this inhalation will happen from the root of the spine, through your spine, through Ujjayi breath to the top of your head. So once you reach to the top of your head, you are going to hold your breath for 10 seconds. So count yourself 10 to 1. And once it's done, you are going to start exhalation through your nose from top of the head to the root of the spine. So once that exhalation is done, once your focus is on the root of the spine, again you are going to hold your breath 10 to 1. And once that is done, again start your inhalation from root of the spine to the top of your head, doing Ujjayi breath. And this cycle will go on and on and on. At least do it for 3 times, or whenever you get time, the whole day, you can do this beautiful vertical breathing. And really, if you keep on doing that, you will certainly feel your thoughts are getting less, and slowly at one point of time you will feel you are really totally calm and totally relaxed. So this is called vertical breathing. Next time I'll come back again with another video. Till then, keep on practicing. Stay fit, fine, healthy. Have a beautiful day ahead. Thank you so much.